If your Ford Ranger is sitting dead in the driveway, don't call the tow truck just yet. Statistically, nearly half of all starting problems are caused by a weak battery or corroded terminals. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find out exactly why your engine isn't turning over. Start with these basic safety and electrical checks to rule out simple connection issues. Listen closely to the sound it makes when you turn the key, as it tells you which component failed. If the engine cranks but won't fire, you likely have a fuel delivery or spark problem. Most Ranger starting issues are DIY friendly, but electrical programming usually requires a professional shop. This breakdown shows where most Ranger owners find the culprit when their truck stays silent. If the basics look good, move on to these advanced tests using a scanner and pressure gauge. Having these 4 tools on hand will solve nearly every starting issue you encounter. Don't overthink it, check your connections before you start buying expensive parts. Follow these steps and you'll have your Ranger back on the road in no time.